Oh wow, there's loads in here.
These, they're like a watercolour blush, a really nice sheer wash of colour. This is supposed to be brilliant, the Perricone MD foundation. It's like really sheer. That's an eye gloss.
Do you think it's something that you could use on your lips as well?
If you can eat it, then it can go close to your eyes.
Then you know it's safe.
Yeah. Look at this guy.
Wow, there's so many colours in that. Cute.
Yeah, I think that would be really nice on you.
Get stuck
We've
in.
got lots to
We've got
play with.
loads, yeah.
Yeah. So these MAC foundations, they're quite good because they've got
quite a range
slight
of
darker
colours.
I'm going to mix a few.
Okay.
It's the lighter shade of this nice Perricone MD under your eyes. I think it's just about evening the skin tone and brightening as opposed to really covering
taking
up.
it on.
Yeah. The beauty of us is that everyone's individual. So to choose like one colour and just sort of paint wash your face doesn't make sense to me. So I'll tend to use like 3 or 4 shades.
Oh really? Just on like an everyday?
Gorgeous. I think now we'll just go straight in with a bit of colour. So we're going to pat it on. It's really iridescent. It's almost like silver in some lights. Because you're using your finger, it doesn't have to be
too
perfect. Yeah. So I think it's about like a really bold pop of colour and then maybe a bit of blending just to make sure it doesn't look too wild. So just keep sort of stepping back, having a look.
It's almost like painting.
Exactly like painting. Wow.
Cute, I love it.
So I feel like for look 2, we could focus on the mouth. I'm going to give you a little bit of lip balm.
I feel like my lips are always so dry, it like eats moisture.
I feel like if I was on a desert island, I'd take lip balm.
Really? That's all you need.
This is like a primer. Smile for me. Swoop on the lip.
Do you have like a special lip brush?
I think a little narrow lip brush like that is great because I think when they're too... and you can really control the shapes.
Do you want me to smile?
Yeah. Actually, no. Just so I can get the shape first and then you can smile.
Okay.
Beautiful mouth. I always say that to people and I realise if I wasn't a makeup artist, it's quite a creepy thing to say. So I'll always like start with the Cupid's bow, just this bit here, just so that that's defined. And then I'll go up from the outer corner of the lip like this. Now you can smile. And then mix that for me.
It's nice and creamy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not drying at all.
I think having put that on you though, it makes me feel like you need something somewhere else.
Do you need to put something on the eyes?
I think I'm going to show you how to use this.
Oh, exciting.
Fix Plus, I never really knew how to use, and it was always in my kit, and I actually thought it was to fix makeup.
I've always thought it was a setting spray.
It's so not.
Oh, is it not?
You can basically spray it on any powder pigment. On its own, this sparkle is quite chunky. I'm going to spray this on my hand, and then see how it just becomes more of like a liquid highlighter. I think with this we could go right up to the brow bone because that's the nice thing about makeup. If it doesn't work, you just clean it off.
Yeah, you can try again.
Look how gorgeous that is.
Cute. I would almost wear this during the day. I think it's quite a
100%.
day look.
So I just cleaned your face and gave you a little bit more coverage.
Yeah. What are you doing for the final look?
I think we're going to get that really lovely big rainbow palette out.
I've been waiting to
It's quite fun. Got the colour pop in the eye and then a match
it on the lip.
It's great, this colour. It's sort of wine. I'm going to add a gloss on top of it so that it's not so powdery.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to use my finger just so that we don't smear any of the colour.
And it's quite nice because it's not, I imagine putting lip gloss on the lid would be quite sticky, but...
Does this not feel
No,
too sticky?
it's fine.
Gorgeous. This is Illamasqua.
What colour are you going to put on the lips? The same?
I'm going to use a red, and this is when I'll use a soft brush for a lipstick. It's when I don't want it to be too defined.
Perfect. I feel like a lot of the time when I put lipstick on, I feel like it needs to be quite perfect.
No, it doesn't matter. Actually, I think with red lip, sometimes it's really nice if you blur the edges. So start in the middle and work your way out. So I'm just using this in the centre of the lip with the soft brush and taking it up into the top lip. But actually looking at it now, the colour is so bright.
Compared to the eye.
Maybe we just make the centre of the mouth that bright and I can just...
Like an ombre.
Just brush a little bit of this on. And then I'll just add a little bit of lip balm on top, I think. We basically just made our own lipstick.
Oh, I love it. It's so nice. I feel like I could go out right now.
Yeah. Well, let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Where should we go?